Language is the most important tool for human invention. Since the very beginning of humanity, we have developed and honed the ability to communicate through language. This ability has accompanied along an historic being an essential part of culture and identity of human beings. But what is language? Language is the institution where every humans communicate and interact with each other by means of habitually using oral, auditory, and imagery symbols. According to Chomsky, language is a social construction that does not stop evolving. Society is setting the guidelines on the norms and common uses of language, both in its oral and written versions.
There exist many theories how language came into existence, ranging from physical, social, and even divine origins. Most religions have their own theory of how languages start, usually putting a divine being or power as the one that bestowed language upon humanity. In the biblical tradition, as described in the book of Genesis, God created Adam and whatsoever Adam called every living creature thereof. In Hindu tradition, language came from Sarasvati, wife of Brahma, creator of the universe. A quite different view of the beginning of language puts a natural approach to the start of language. For example, famous naturalist and biologist Charles Darwin speculated the origin of language to be closely related to humans' musical ability, that was theorized to be used to charm each other. Another theory described primitive words derived from the imitation of the natural sounds.
Another theory puts the focus on the social aspects of language, since groups are necessary for social organizations, and to maintain these organizations, language is required. On the other hand, the physical adaptation theory theorizes that many of the specific human features of the body, such as the tongue, lips, pharynx, and larynx, help us develop language. There are also some developing theories that there is a rooted basis for language baked into the human brain that states that only humans are born with this special ability to produce language. Language is such a complex and rich topic that it needs to be studied by its own discipline, called linguistics, which is the scientific study of language.
Created using Powtoon.